Powerhouse, presented by Alliant Energy.
Alliant Energy, we're on for you.
How would you like to save energy and the environment at the same time? You can with an innovative insulation. It's called Newell. And joining us today is Nate Bernacki from Excel Insulation. And Nate, what exactly is Newell Insulation?
Newell is an insulation product made from recycled newspapers, designed to be pneumatically sprayed in the walls in new construction, designed to seal out air and voids and pockets in the walls.
Now I know we're here at a new home construction and your crew's getting ready. Can you kind of walk us through the process of installing it?
Sure. The Newell is sprayed in pneumatically in the walls. Now this is a typical sound wall application for an interior, kind of a noise barrier. They start by putting up a netting on the interior of the wall to give them a backer to spray against. And as you can see, it sprays around all the pipes and wires and completely seals out all the voids in the wall. And it's also sprayed with a little bit of a water mist, kind of like a paper mache, and it makes the papers bond together. Then the excess material is then shaved off the wall. We call it a scrubber, and it's designed to take the excess off. And then it's vacuumed up off the floor, and the excess material is recycled back to the machine and mixed with the new product and goes right back in the wall again. So there's no waste at the end of the job.
Yeah, that's amazing. Again, as you said, you don't waste any. With the newspaper and the weight, do you have to worry about it settling at all?
Newell's designed to be installed at a density greater than its own weight. So much like a jar of marbles, it doesn't have anywhere to go. Typically, there's never any issues with any settling in the product, and it's actually guaranteed over the life of the structure not to settle.
Now, what about the cost in terms of this compared to traditional insulation?
Traditional fiberglass bats, Newell is probably between 25 and 40% more expensive based on the style of construction of the house. It's probably more comparable to a blown-in bat type of a product, but with the added benefits of the pest infiltration, and Newell being one of the only products on the market with an EPA-registered fungicide in it, it really has many more benefits for the same cost.
Now, in terms of recouping that cost, how long before a homeowner would see that?
Typically, a homeowner will see a return on their investment within 2 to 3 years.
Okay. And I know there's some real advantages, and again, you were saying, I mean, here in terms of the sound barrier, right?
Many of our customers, some of our builders that build multifamily homes will use it between units from one family to the next, so you don't hear the noise, and it adds a lot of privacy and a lot of comfort to the home.
Okay, as we look at this, it's an amazing material, isn't it?
It's shredded newspapers. There really isn't anything else. Everything in it's all natural. There's no formaldehydes. It does not off gas. It doesn't give off any smells or odors. It's a completely harmless product.
A lot of advantages to Newell, and you said it's been around for years.
Newell was founded in 1949. They're actually the oldest cellulose company in the country. There's probably 200 dealers in 14 states just for the Newell brand alone. And
you were mentioning also a guarantee that goes with it in terms of new construction?
Newell will guarantee the energy costs on the product for 3 years. And if your energy costs come out higher than what they state they will pay 50% of the difference.
Now, we're in a new home construction, but you can also go into existing homes?
Correct. The product we can use doing drill and fill applications, drill holes in exterior walls.
Also go into attics?
It's the same product in an attic, only we don't use the moisture application. It's not a wet spray in the attic, it is a dry blow.
And going up to typical R?
Today, for the new energy standards for this year, it's an R50, so we do about 15 to 16 inches in a new construction attic. We do a lot of overblows in older attics as well.
It's Newell Insulation. Nate, thanks for a lot of information. It's always great for our viewers to learn about options again for adding insulation to their home. And stay with us, we've got more Powerhouse when we come back.